Hello. The lock I have today is a Mauer locking systems. They're owned by Assa Abloy. This specific one is it's called an Elite 1. It's a dimple key. It's a 6-pin. Yeah, 6-pin. These are very picky with how you approach picking them. You have to be very delicate with how you lift the pins because it's incredibly over easy to set these. As you see, there's no spring tension on the core until you get right there, and then that's when it does the locking pause. Ball bearing, if you noticed, the one on the right is slightly bigger than the one on the left. Obviously you can't shim it, and I won't be able to take this apart either because it's an enclosed unit. I love the body. I don't know if you could make this out really over this crappy camera, but it's not a typical bronze color. It looks very gold. Yep. Mauer. They've been around since 1990. It was founded under the brand name Dekaba, and its main activity is development, production, and trading of high security products. Today it's a Bulgarian, German, Dutch company with production based in Varna, Bulgaria, and the assembly part of that is based in Amersfoort, Netherlands. And then let me get this clamped up for you and we'll get picking. Alright, I'm using a Z-bar and one of my spooks, the XL. As you see, it still works, still same lock. You have to be very careful with how you pick these things. Okay, 2 gave me a little something. Six. Five. Four. 3. Alright, 6 again. Must have dropped them. Okay, that dropped me into a false set. This is 2 or 1. Give me some counter rotation on it. Okay, and that was it. 6 pins, not all that difficult to pick once you get the hang of it. But honestly, it took me a couple days to actually get the hang of it. You have to use really really hard tension, and even with then you would think you would be able to hear the pins snap into place, but I don't know if it's the size of the pins or they're beveled or what, because I can't get in this thing, but they set at a very precise position, and if you miss feeling that, and it's very minute feedback, very, very small amount of feedback, and if you miss that, you're screwed. You'll overset it and you basically just start over, because once you overset one, you never know which one it is, and you're best off just starting over, to be honest. So it says rust proof down here. That's how you get access. I assume this top pin right here is what's holding the core in, and then it's the Elite 1. And here's another look at the bitting. All right. Well, that's all I have for you on the Mauer Elite 1 padlock. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. If you like the video, please subscribe. And remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Thanks for watching.